Dumelang ko ga ke nna dineo mo eketsi.
Sugar smacks Lana.
Rala mo gape mo showing ya rona my perfect proposal. Mo showing e re dumela baratani gore ba experience proposal e ba ka se ba ile bale.
Of course, and namhlanje sisejabulani Soweto kaSlamakasi sizohlangana noSiphelele.
Hi, Rino.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Good, thank you. Good, thank you. Can we come in?
Yes, please. My name is Siphelele Kumalo. Please help yourselves, guys. It's my new home. I don't have couches as yet.
New home.
Yes.
So you want everything new?
Yeah.
My first impression is Pelele, not too much, man.
But you look like a relatively young man.
Yes.
Yeah?
So I've been told, but I'm 25 years old.
I was just about to ask, Lena.
Yes, we do. Her name is Minentle.
Minen, she named after Mini Dlamini.
No, it's Mini Kumalo, this one.
Maybe, you know.
Original.
Okay.
I'm gonna have her friend Ulinda saying that she won a competition and she was actually advised to bring a friend along for some spa treatment and hairdo, nails, and then lunch. Okay, and while they are on that, and then I come on a helicopter with a writing, "Will you marry me?"
Okay.
And then I'll have a ring with me, and then I'll be lowered down by the helicopter on a rookie, and then to propose to her.
What I liked about this Pelele, like Lendo Talo, I want to kahle. Makakhuluma into ikanje uzimisele.
Yeah.
So it looks like a good decision maker. Like.
But he looks very serious as well.
Yeah, no, melo be serious sometimes in life.
It's gonna be the first time in Klana Mamagasi Sanda, and I just don't know how it's all gonna go, to be honest.
All right. Serfikile, abutis Pelele. So Rafi Kayano go restauranting, Harfita. Now let's make sure decide gore wa itsekeng tsantse re tlhompe situation e pe.
Tamele secure one. You deal an old lady, bonuma old lady,
I've never shared a table naye. We've never been to like a one-on-one conversation mina naye. Ma bengizocela ukukuhlupha kancane nje. Bengicela ukuzowazisa ukuthi kahle sabe socela imvume yakho ukupropose kuSisanda. When I met Magasisanda, I couldn't wait to actually finish.
Mntanam, don't you think it's a big step? Ngoba mina ngibona ngathi nisasebancane.
It is a big step, but I think C2 no Sisanda is ready for umshado.
Makuwukuthi ni ready ke ayikho into engingayisho ngiyanikeza imvume yami ke. I'm giving you my blessings if you are ready. If you are sure ukuthi ni ready, make sure.
Yeah. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. That means a lot to me. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Abar makas, it's like a Sagushab.
Then when you and as quite. So I think it was good. Nice quick response, boom, wasn't fun of shata na indota.
And nice mewate.
He's a happy guy.
Thumbs up. All right, let's go sing a paga to get the maybe not to show the chance. You meet our mama and then let's make it official. So we ask again now Maguti Njoba Silana, Musevenzo too. As in my perfect proposal, just to send a show Guti. Well, this is about basically trying to make sure they get the perfect proposal about Funayo, you know? And this is my perfect proposal. So Samupage Umzala Pasala Yake to help this proposal along, which is of course $5,000. Okay, Doctor, I think Guti Mama sekavumile. Isikhathi ukuthi siqhubekele phambili.
Into ilungile manje.
Yeah.
Siqhubeke ngoplana. It's on. We are officially
attending now.
going to meet up. No Linda right now.
Yours.
Now Tamu Pelele, and we are out of here. Alright, so we're here now.
Ja.
Let's
Linda.
Linda.
Hi, Linda. Where are you?
But traffic ngo 3:10.
Linda, akahloniphi isikhathi somtomyama, to be honest, because manje simile la ngaphandle mall and akekho yena. Ngitshela nge-traffic.
Please make it snappy, Linda. Ngiyacela, please, like, can it at least be this year? Ngiyacela, at least, please. Okay, sure.
The fact that he had to rush me, Rose, he's the one who changed his kati, and Mina, I have to comply to that dude. Okay, now the time has changed, so I have to do everything quick. I didn't like the way he spoke to me.
Eventually she arrived.
Yeah.
And we could go inside and handle our business.
She looks like a nice best friend.
Yeah.
Finally. Anna, you don't have the whole... No, for the family, Linda, we still have a lot more things to do. It's not about this only.
Linda.
And here she is, uyafika, akaxolisi nokuxolisa. Like, she's just a woman, nento iningi.
No, re kena ge. Re file mo le re kry me o mongwe ba reng ke Jamie. O nice jang, ke also nice.
Pelele here wants to get engaged to his lady, and this is Pelele's very close friend Linda. So Linda's going to help us figure out exactly, well, if he's going in the right vein, because you know you can't trust men most.
It's Pelele, goga ko pele.
What are you actually looking for? Is it white gold, yellow gold?
Yeah, white gold, please.
White gold.
White gold.
Okay, box 1, no. Box 2, no. Box 3, no. Box 4. This guy is so particular. He sees something different.
What do you think?
I'm loving this one.
I like this one. It's very simple.
Very simple.
Yeah, this works. It's very simple.
Yeah, it must be extraordinary.
But why? This is stunning. It has details. That is just a band. This has details. And you understand? Yes, fantastic. You're not wearing it. This is what she has to show her girlfriends.
One has a lot more texture, the other one is a lot more simple. Pelele opts for something a lot more simple, saying that she'll really, really love it.
No. Whoa, guys.
It's not about a girlfriend, it's about who loves
Yes.
you. That's what
It's about what she's gonna like. It's about what she's
This thing?
No.
Yeah, guys.
Oh, hold on.
No, wine is. Look at this.
No, this is just not gonna happen, Linda.
Why?
Sorry.
Why? What's the problem with this one?
No.
Okay, what's the
I
problem
know
with this
her.
one?
I know her. Trust me.
No, the question is what's wrong with this one?
No, nothing is wrong. What's right with this one?
Then why did you call me if you want me to help you?
Siphikisana ngendaba ye-ring. Linda is on about, I know my friend, I'm better than wena, and she's forgetting Guti. Actually, I'm the man here, and even if she knew her better, but I'm still her man, and my word goes. I know what she likes. I know what's good for my woman.
Still don't understand why he wants us to buy that one, guys. I'm here to help.
No. I'm taking this one. I'm sorry.
Let me try this.
I'm gonna hit.
I had a reason why I wanted to pick the other one, because Susanna is my friend. I know her. I know what she'd like. The way he spoke to me now, Connor, it is a bit off.
Sekumele ngigijime manje ngilandele uLinda ngimbuyise okay what baxolelana all that stuff.
Bengimngala, so it's like he can do whatever. I wasn't really there anymore. Bese ngomngalile and I'm going to, it's fine. Clearly it means that I'm not needed here.
No, what's his problem?
All right.
No, but like I still don't understand why am I here to help him if he's still gonna be angry.
But I mean, these, guidance, I'm taught. But
Yeah, guidance can be appreciated, Smacks, if he is open to her opinion. Because in this instance, he wasn't very open.
it's a done deal. Okay. So then we have peace all around, huh?
How are you?
here we are, sihlangane with a guy or print banner.
Well, Pelele here wants to propose to his significant other tomorrow.
Congratulations.
And what
Thank
he'd
you.
like to do is put a banner behind a helicopter and then land and then walk out of the helicopter and get on his knee. Is it possible for us to have a banner printed here in that time frame?
Absolutely.
And we can fetch it in the morning?
Yes.
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 Okay, thank you very much. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Uvumile Guti, he's gonna get my banner ready by tomorrow morning, and I'm very much happy about this. Just can't wait to come pick it up tomorrow morning. Now we're here at the helicopter, and suddenly go leave. But I called the guy.
Sisanda ungaphakathi and cisha sibhaqa.
I can't do it. Honest.
I guys paid already.
You paid, yeah.
At the salon, I had to leave.
Wena, umfunela ngushoni.
Phela benze mahala labantu laba. Hey, didn't you talk to them ekuseni? Azange sikhulume nabo.
Ya sisabakhuluma nabo. Ngiyathi akunabantu la.
Hello.
Now we're here at the helicopter where we need to confirm the booking and the time of the helicopter, and suddenly go leave. And we called this guy on our way, Guti, we're coming to confirm everything with them.
Kira siphelele ubuyele mang. Siphelele yena ongkhata tazeli. Umbuza uri no, ubuyele Sean. Kira ke mang Sean? Why Sean wa gago a sa fetole phone? Arai man, re ke mo founela. Wa phone. Wena, umfunela ngushoni. Ya ringa. Ya ringa phone. The person you have dialed is unavailable.
Okay.
Fona futhi sibona. Ke re siphelele re na nako today. Ke batla gore wetse sho gore ga re boa mo. Ebe gore ntho ya teng is simple ra kena ra tsamaya, because a ke batla gore ke fitle mo kaosane ga re fitle mo kaosane ba re sorry we can't help you.
You have reached an
Oh my goodness. You?
Re bona re leng. Phela umuntu wakho la.
This is so frustrating. It's really draining.
There are cars in here. But I called the guy and then he's aware what we're coming.
Manje ucima phone.
It's ringing. Not answering.
Okay, hayi sizabuya kusasa mara wenze sure ukuthi yamfonela umuntu wakho ngeke phela senze so kusasa. So siphelele wa dumela ke re ko siphelele wetse sure le Sean wa gago ge, because kwena o di gogang ko pele wetse sure gore Sean o alright, Sean o ready ka osane, because a ke batle di problem I don't know sharp. Re tsamaye ge le siphelele.
Okay, officially day 2. This is the day of action, right?
Yeah.
So we just pulled up sifile manje Jabulani futhi.
So the game plan yanamhlanje very simple. Ukuthi mina ngizobe ngihamba one step ahead of uSisanda noLinda ngoba obviously ngayenzakala ukuthi uyibonile show and everything, so mele senze sure ukuthi akangiboni mina ngoba obviously uzowazi ukuthi kuyenzakalani.
Mina ngafonela uLinda, Linda come meet me outside. Sisanda ungaphakathi and cisha sibhaqa.
So close call kodwa akasibona.
Sihleli lana siyakhuluma siyasasilotela. Uyaphuma uSisanda uzobona ukuthi manje why lo wathatha isikhathi.
I thought for some reason umbonile and usibhaqile.
So sizomthatha, obviously ngizobe ngekho. We're gonna go sort out her hair and nails and everything like that. And then from there, you leave it, eh? Mam shia lapha sizavaya so landa abazali, then sizabuyela nje buye sithompick up, yabo.
All right. Sugar is gone. I have to pull it like Niyenze alone without him. I have to make sure Witty she doesn't find out. I have to make Usphelele proud.
So ngifikile Candy and Co ngenze sure ukuthi bawe ngokuthi naba abantu bayikhona sebazofika.
I got Usisandane, she's here.
Okay.
She's downstairs in the parking lot.
All right.
But now we need to go get Mama here because they're waiting for us. They just called me now, actually. They need to find out where we are.
Ulinda, so far, she's been on the ball. So I'm very confident ukuthi the spanning kaya sona manje ukuthi ayenze sure ukuthi out ibraya kaya itavi next. I think uzosishaya.
Setup very simple. Mina nawe sovasolanda abazali.
Okay.
But yena sizamshiya lana uzamtshela ukuthi usaya
Work something out. What I was worried about is that I wasn't sure how long it will take for me to leave and go get the parents.
Everything here has been set up. So as soon as you bring her in, she's gonna be sorted. The ladies, they know I've done everything. Candy and Co, they got it covered.
Okay, fine.
Okay?
I'll just bring her in.
Mlethe, iti mina ngibaleke ke.
Please. At Kenny and Co at the salon, I had to leave as a later so that I can be able to pick up the parents. So I had to come up with a story. My hair is done already. I'm thinking of going to Msebenzi and finish the other interviews because I have to do it at work as well. By the time I'm done, they'll be done with yours as well. Yeah.
Okay.
Like, she didn't have a problem with Salayeta.
Arkena. Okay. Hi, Wolfgang. How are you? I'm good. Is the banner ready?
The banner?
We're here to pick up the banner.
Not ready yet.
Oh my gosh.
You gave me short notice. I told you.
But we've paid already.
Is there no way we
I'll
can...
be ready later, much later.
No.
Yes.
No. Now we're here to fetch the banner. And guess what? The gentleman, lovely gentleman, I need like 2 hours more.
I can't do it, honest.
Aren't you guys paid already?
You paid, yeah.
You have money.
What is the
and when
process of the
delivery?
printing?
Beg your pardon.
Sorry, hold on. I'm saying, what is the process with the printing that
Yes, the
takes
process
so long?
takes time, yes.
Ntang, why is the banner not ready? Harry, you told me on short notice.
You cannot be going away.
You will be, I promise you.
No, come on, gentlemen, we have to hold on here.
Yeah, okay. Bottom line, it's not ready. 2 more hours, come back. Okay?
No.
And there's no way you can talk to you guys to slightly just tweak the process a bit.
Oh, maybe hour and a half. But
Hour and a
that's
half.
okay.
I can work with hour and a half.
Xolo, we were here and then he was like, okay, you'll have your banner. Definitely tomorrow morning you'll have your banner.
Wolfgang, don't be nasty now.
we're not leaving without the banner. No, we are still not leaving without this banner now. This is just not so on. Well, we're still customers after all. Business is made, done.
We can't have a messed up banner. It's the biggest part. It's the thing that says
You
what
gave me
he's
short notice. Not my problem.
I understand Uguti, why the guy does have to be so rude. Yeah, no, this is just not acceptable, right?
I understand I'm fit, but you can just ngayenza khona manje. Into mele uyenze wena ukuthi ukhokha umoya. Sime leyo hour and a half and then sabuya silanda. In fact,
Phela benze mahala labantu laba, hey? Didn't you talk to them ekuseni? Azangikhuluma nabo.
yeah, sisabakhuluma nabo kodwa nawe uzwile ke indaba ye short notice yenza ukuthi labantu babe snacks. Bagcine sebelwa nathi.
Ngabe bangavumanga.
Nawe ngivuma nawe kodwa kumele sikhokhe umoya kancane. Okay. Bagayetso afuna libothatha yana ngitshwantse remele banner e ene nako ya resiya. I think tshwantse ke tse plan ya go fonela batho ba di helicopter because if into it slower down then re tla lose nako and then proposal ya rona ya phatlalaga. So Raboela, after hour and a half ya thing, banner is finally ready. Hello.
Hey, how's it? Hey, babe.
Yeah, I'm there. You need a good color?
Good.
You have my banner.
Banner is ready for you. Here's your
Let
banner.
me see this little baby. Okay. The madam better be ready because I can't handle any more mishaps. Riatseleng ya Moloko Cheese Farm. Kikra phone call.
What's up?
What's up with you?
Oh man, you know that this helicopter ride got moved up an hour, right?
What do you mean the helicopter ride moved up an hour?
I mean the helicopter ride moved up an hour.
That's problematic because we're still on our way.
Kereka 2? Kana go re motseleng. 2 is no.
What was supposed to happen at 3 is now going to happen at 2. So in exactly 1 hour, we all need to be at the destination.
Ya nong tshwantse re spite wes. Mara limo ya rona. Nka ra ifitele ko 120.
Njoba ngisuka manje Candy and Co, kumele ngihambe ngiyolanda abazali.
Me and you are supposed to be getting the parents now, no?
Yeah.
Right, fine. And she says she knows that you're gone for what, 15 odd minutes, no?
Yeah, 15:30, yeah.
All right, that's fine.
I left from her meeting and my interview knowing that Yolanda was albike. And then before we even left the Randburg, there was a problem. Yoguti, the time, the helicopter was scheduled to be around 3, and then they're moving the time to 2.
But I'll go get the parents alone, only because the people that are doing the helicopter ride have changed the schedule on us.
So Ushiga had to take me back to Candy and Co, the salon. And when I got there, my excuse was that we are running out of time, the time that we were booked to have lunch, because as far as she knew, it was that we're going to have lunch.
Finally made it, just arrived. Out of time. Ngalanje sibe indlela. Hey. Never ngukutshele. Uma ngithola nonke ulebu. Akhona.
Here's your ticket.
Okay.
And your ticket.
Fantastic.
Thank you. All right.
Okay. Oh, my skirt.
Finally made it, just arrived. Out of time, like a mother. But now, I'm gonna open up for the family and we're gonna go straight to the venue.
Uma olady nabo aunt nabo mamncane basimele la ngaphandle. Kunomncane oyi-1 vele ngathi sekajabule kakhulu.
Andiza.
So I mean, always made for a great trip.
Okay, Rifunela Sean, at least, thank goodness. Sean utenga you.
Good afternoon. Hi, Sean.
Oh, Sipelel, how are you?
Hi, Sipelel. Good. Nice to meet you.
Sean, I'm Dineo.
Hi, Dineo. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Is this your first flight in a helicopter?
Yes.
Yes.
Looking forward to it?
Yes, yes.
Very much so.
There's your ticket.
Okay.
And your ticket.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, are we
You'd
going
like
in the
to go
fancy
through?
one?
Well, this one over here, yes.
Awesome. We deserve something fancy after all our stresses today. Lily, you're introducing me to new things, eh?
Yeah, hey.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, I never thought of
It is my first.
Sean, so where's the banner, you know?
Oh, shucks.
You want to put a banner in the helicopter?
Yes.
Behind it.
Oh, no, that's a bit of a problem. I mean, with the rotor wash and the tail rotor, you know, it's a little bit dangerous. So I don't think we can do that today.
Oh, my skirt.
Okay, good.
There was a table reserved for us, and then we just had lunch. Sandra, when she first saw the place, the only thing she thought of, the only thing she said, the first thing was that uzotshela uSiphelele to come and see the place and have lunch.
Whatever this meat is, it's nice.
And it looks raw.
Ne? I feel so peaceful right now.
Tell me after some of camp.
Ne?
Now I've landed and the banner is opening.
Sisanda! Yebo. Wazala sis.
Willing me ring it back.
Yes, 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 yes. Wow, babe. This is so unexpected. Babe. Oh my word, I love you.
So Linda and I are sitting there having our lunch, and then all of a sudden this helicopter comes.
Jump it! Oh, jump it! Surprise! Thank you.
I saw something saying, "Will you marry me?" And I just knew you were in there.
I think that was beautiful, you know? I think everyone's happy. So Tina, we were happy. It was another perfect proposal.
Thank you so much. I wasn't expecting it so soon.
How ready to propose D?
Urumela email go propose@nv.co.za. Gape propose@nv.co.za. And maybe re tla ba re kokotela wena re hey, chaile.
Isikhathi sakhona. Write us an email and then sibone ukuthi sikusiza kanjani. So we can make sure you got another perfect proposal courtesy of Mzansi Magic, Shika Smacks, and Dinel.